on the street in the park. There is a bus. It is a big school bus. It is blue and white. It is at the bus stop. There are 12 children in the bus. The driver is wearing a blue cap. There are 4 people crossing the road. There is a lady, a girl, and 2 men. They are crossing the road at the zebra crossing. There is a dog. It is brown and white. It has an orange collar. It is happy. It is with a man. He is also happy. They are getting out of a car. There is a traffic light. The red light is on. There is a taxi waiting for the light to turn green. There is also a bus waiting. It is a red and yellow bus. There are many people in the bus. There is a park nearby. There is a man with a cart. He is selling ice creams. He is the ice cream man. There is a man buying an ice cream. He has a little girl with him. He is carrying a baby. The baby is crying. There is a lady with another baby. This baby is in a pram. She is smiling.